Time Live. We are joined by actor and artist Kadeem Wilson, also known as Kenzic, who is also here to perform for us a little bit later. But first, we're going to have a little chat. Now, tell me, which came first for you, being an actor or being an artist? What was the first thing you stepped out into?
I stepped out in, everybody started out in church. Everybody career in terms of singing and acting started out in church, and I started out singing and acting in church. So I wouldn't say one came before the other. I think everything just came together
At the same time. So do you dance as well?
Yeah, kind of a thing.
I sure you know it. I sure you show up.
I'm just saying. Okay, so how long have you been in the music, been doing music?
Officially now, I've been putting out music within the last 2 years. Officially, trying to, get people to understand that I'm also an artist, a recording artist.
Because I didn't know. I know that you do the acting, and I was saying to him today, I was like, I didn't know him could sing too and all that stuff. So it's good to know.
So the man them full artist.
Yes.
Yeah, artist mode.
Yeah. Transformer business.
So what are you going to be performing for us today?
I'll be performing one of my singles, brand new.
Yeah,
man. It's more pop kind of dancehall fusion, you know what I mean?
Who produced it?
Adi Tracks and Keely Keys.
Keely.
Yeah, man. So,
Mad sitting one.
yeah, man, that one I got off.
This is when you two did the talking thing that I'm there going like,
Yeah, man, the so you didn't show up for me earlier.
Were you dancing?
So you know Keely now. I bet,
All right, so I'm excited to hear. And I'm a big fan of you when you work anyway. So, I can't wait to hear you about to sing. Take it away. We'll come back and have a little chat after.
General.
All right.
Man.
Turn it off. Daytime Live. You're rocking with Kenzic. Wow, times change. Me no wanna hand me down. Touch road, ex-girl a fan me down. Brand new fans them a run me down. In station I run the town. Outdate, me no want it now. I forget a brand new one. Brand new one. Brand new one. Right now I start say brand new singer. Come again, outdate, me no want it now. I forget a brand new one. Brand new one. Brand new one. Right now I start say brand new. Coupon girl, me no want see no man. You have to reach at the party yard and get a brand new whip. Brand new chick. By time you reach the party around. Done with the war and strife, haters get a life. Just get a brand new one. Brand new song. Brand new everything right now. Hashtag say brand new. Brand new. Outdate, me no want it now. I forget a brand new one. Brand new one. Brand new one. Right now hashtag say brand new singer. Come again, outdate, me no want it now. I forget a brand new one. Brand new one. Brand new one. Right now hashtag say brand new. Say me just catch party fever. Link up Craig, link up Naisha. Little vodka mix the rum more sweeter. Man them a gallus argue which catty look neater. Me swag run up faster than a cheetah and bus meter. Club overeat and bus space in a back left with the only tweeter. TBJ, sing it with me. Outdate, me no want it now. I forget a brand new one. Brand new one. Brand new one. Right now hashtag say brand new singer. Come again, outdate, me no want it now. I forget a brand new one. Brand new one. Right now hashtag say brand new. Me go so Kenzic sir. Look at her, me sip for the there, forget her. Who? Yes her, yo, me ready there. Me step out fresh to death. Just put the weather there. On my instep, yes my prep might be there. No nigga there, so swagger there. Ever had her like Kenzic? True than da. When me roll through, tell yourself a girl you just had it Kenzic. Wow, make every girl get asthmatic. Outdate, me no want it now. I forget a brand new one. Brand new one. Brand new one. Right now hashtag say brand new singer. Come again, outdate, me no want it now. I forget a brand new one. Brand new one. Brand new one. Right now hashtag say brand new.
Yes! Yes! We're
Mad,
brand new one.
loud.
I love it. That was amazing.
Yeah, that was a brand new one.
Yeah, man, brand new one.
And I saw how you're flirting with the girls as well from the yes.
You can't put the man thing on blast, huh?
Okay, I'm sorry.
See the man are discreetly doing
He
thing
wasn't
here.
flirting. He was performing for the audience of ladies in bikinis. You know.
I'm gonna show
That's
lyrics, so that's a
what he was
brand new
doing.
one and neatly and discreetly I hint the thing and you go.
But I would like to ask, brand new one, is that something that you're saying to anybody? You got to get a brand new one?
No, it's-
brand new what, sir, please?
It's a brand new one. Brand new one.
Brand new one of what?
Brand,
everything.
Everything.
Anything what
Ladies,
outdated.
I don't
Anything
know,
outdated.
I don't know.
From it out there,
Yeah.
brand new
We
one.
don't want it.
We don't want it.
So
Brand
from
new
you've had it, you need a brand new one.
one.
I mean,
you know, everything is relative, you know. Nothing is absolute. So,
I'm getting you in trouble, aren't I? You're doing good. You're doing good, you're
There's a
doing good, you're doing
movie
good.
going on named Sprinter.
yeah, big brother.
Why you tell me a little bit about that, you know? 'Cause it never depend on the script, but that's something the people need to know about.
Yeah, so Sprinter is definitely a film that is going to be, like, it has risen. I know a lot of movies and people have vexed with me, but Sprinter has risen to my #1 favorite film of
That's right.
Jamaican film of all time.
Right.
And I
But
just
tell us
can't wait for
about
Jamaica
Sprinter, because you're
experience.
not really telling them all about it. There's a lot happening.
Without giving away
Who
too
is
much.
involved in Sprinter, though, first of all? Who is the producer, the writer, the people
producers
there?
and the writers. The writer for Sprinter is and director is Storm Salter. The producers for the film are Will Smith and Jada Pinkett
I'm sorry, who
Smith.
now? What?
Will and Jada Pinkett Smith.
Oh, them. Never heard of them. Do you know them?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Yeah, you know, and the film, you can look out for the film. We'll go to the New York Film Festival this month or next month, one of the two. And then we should know whether or not it's coming to Jamaica. When? It's coming here, you know, but when?
Yeah,
Definitely
it's not
when.
whether or not, it's when. And I know we're not really supposed to talk about this because I'm sure we're going to have you guys back on later to do a little...
If we're smart, you know, better say they come to Jamaica, 'cause if we not get it legal,
Don't it? Oh, my goodness.
we gotta get it
Cry,
one
nigga,
way.
cry.
Yeah, let's do the legal route. Let's go that route first. But thank you so much. And I saw you doing some plays as well here.
Yeah, you know.
What's
I'm
your
picking it.
what's your favorite, would you say?
My favorite?
Yeah,
Out
if you
of
had to
acting or
pick,
singing?
yeah. Don't forget the mic.
Oh yeah. If I was to choose,
Artist,
I can't
artist.
choose. I
you
can't choose.
You have to choose.
I can't
Gun
choose.
to your head,
It's
you have to
unfair.
choose.
It's
You have
unfair
to
to choose.
choose.
It's unfair to choose. All right, ladies and gentlemen, ladies, what do you think? Music? Put your hands up.
Ladies, they said the music.
All of them said
That's 'cause
yes.
you haven't seen him
All
act, though. He's really good.
Anybody seen any of my movies? Anyone seen any of my movies?
They're like they've
So,
all seen everything you've
acting
done.
I can't choose. I can't choose.
That's not.
one of them.
all right. I hear you. And I'm proud of you. Like, you are doing such an amazing job and representing Jamaica internationally with, enough love. I'm a fan, as you guys know.
Awesome stuff. Multi-talented Kenzic.
So-
Enough respect. Enough respect, general.
All right, with a man love. Yes.
don't
The
know
bro
about
man. Guys, on Friday, more buzz, more chat, more
Mix.
mix,
Oh, if you
more
forget that.
vibe. But that's you for coming with the team.
Okay, mix.
We'll see you guys on Friday. Have a good
Become
week
more.
up to.
Mad
Don't get too hot. Cool yourself down.
Oh, damn, man.
Don't
Daytime
overheat.
life. All
Daytime
right,
life.
Nisha, you done. No, you don't talk
I'm
so
just
much.
saying this is
All right, we're done.
happening.
Big up.
See you Friday.
Daytime life.
Coupon girl, cinnamon.